How to use the AI Diagnostics function. The AI Diagnostics function provided by the Ruijie Reyee app can quickly detect and resolve network issues, ensuring swift network recovery without disrupting service operations. Log into the Ruijie Reyee app. Note, the login credentials for Ruijie Reyee app are the same as those for Ruijie Cloud. Choose your project from the project list. Swipe up to access the workspace. Select Basic AI Diagnostics. This function conducts multidimensional fault detection for egress devices, wired and wireless connections, and device performance. Tap Start Diagnostics. The detection process may take some time. Please be patient and wait for the results. Once the detection is complete, the system will display fault information in the fault list. Tap View Details to see fault details and follow the suggestions provided in Solutions for Troubleshooting. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.